Ooh, it's my man's 21st, y'all.
It's my 21st birthday, and I'm making a video, but that's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I'm gonna take a shot. I'm gonna take another shot.
You might as well take 20 more. Just kidding.
Enough of that. About to do this review. I already opened it up. Okay? About to do this review on the masculine charcoal. Oh, I got the name wrong. It's actually it got the ology at the end of it. So yeah. So how we make this?
You just gotta
use the face. Use the face to remove. Okay, boom. So I gotta put this in the cup though. I'm making a mess, but it's all good. Feel? Alright. Let me see. So what I gotta do next? What I gotta do?
fill it up to the water line right there.
Should put too much in there.
And there's that spatula that you get to use.
You got the spatula.
How's it look already?
This don't look right though. I ain't gonna be fake. I don't think I did this right. I'm right though. They say, yeah, we gotta do it for like a minute. We gotta start that bitch up good, dog. Get that bitch sound like macaroni and shit.
You sound so stupid.
Get that bitch sound like macaroni.
Alright, can we put it on now?
Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Now, you know, I gotta put it on. Ugh. Get that shit good up in there, you know. Get up in there. Oh, we wanna drop that shit. Gotta get both sides. Real good. Push it, spread out. Spread out. Ooh. Ooh. Hit him with it. I'm trying to make this shit like.
Make sure you get on your forehead.
Make it feel like Picasso, the hood Picasso. Oh yeah, I'm in there. Hey, come closer. Come over here. Come closer. Come closer.
All right.
We gotta see all this. Come. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We in there.
Just details.
Details. Oh yeah.
You gotta see that.
No, you look too close now. Hold on. Back up. Back up. Back up. You look too close. Dude, what you doing?
You irritating.
And I'm doing my fucking mud thing, whatever this shit is.
It's clay.
Clay. Can't get it in my hair. You know I paid $100 for this long enough. I can't do that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That bitch, look at that bitch just hanging on my nose, though. What the fuck? Stop doing that shit. Nigga, that's nasty as fuck. Nigga, you gotta get that shit like that.
Your camera's about to die.
Oh, let's hurry up then. Well, shit, look, we got, you know. Oh, that shit look good. That shit look good as hell. You might as well get you one. You want one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it. Fuck it.
Ass up. Look, all right, babe, about to get one. Go ahead with your ass up. You got to make me some more though.
No, I think I should be okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need some.
Making that little mud. You look. That's how you know you look good, when you look good making dirt. How the fuck you look good making dirt? What the fuck?
Why you gassing me up?
I ain't gassing you up.
What you doing now?
Shit, I don't know. Shit, what I'm supposed to? The fuck?
You dumb as hell.
This is nice. I like this.
I like how it looks in here.
What's this? They gotta get me right with their name, but this is
I want to say Maskology.
Maskology.
For some reason, I
Look
feel
at
like
this. This is the name of it, Maskology. And here go the other part of it right there. I like that we gotta keep this shit on there for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes.
Really?
So, hell yeah.
Well, we gotta go.
And then we gotta peel. Hold on, no, don't be saying that on the camera. You know, you tripping. And then we gotta peel. Ooh.
Gotta get it all around, y'all.
Get you. Shit, come close over here. Come over here one time. School back. I told you to stop coming close. It was just hard as fuck to come up. Like, what the fuck? That shit was just like weird as fuck. It wasn't even peeling. That shit was just coming right off. Like that shit down there came up like it feels like paper. Goddamn crazy. But yeah though, like, share and subscribe, man. You know what it is, boy, young camera guy.